Have you ever wondered about the most serious crimes recognized internationally, and how those responsible are brought to justice for actions that threaten global peace and security? Today, we are focusing on a pivotal one, the crime of aggression. The International Criminal Court, or ICC, defines the crime of aggression as the planning, preparation, initiation, or execution by a person in a position effectively to exercise control over or to direct the political or military action of a state, of an act of aggression which, by its character, gravity, and scale, constitutes a manifest violation of the Charter of the United Nations. This clear definition helps us understand when leaders might be held accountable for unlawful uses of force. The core mechanism behind this definition lies in the Rome Statute, specifically Article 8 bis, which was activated through amendments adopted at the Kampala Review Conference in 2010 and fully came into effect in 2018. This article outlines that an act of aggression refers to the use of armed force by a state against the sovereignty, territorial integrity, or political independence of another state, or in any other manner inconsistent with the Charter of the United Nations. The United Nations Security Council also plays a crucial role in determining if an act of aggression has occurred, guiding the ICC's jurisdiction. To apply this definition, the ICC considers specific actions that qualify as acts of aggression. These include invasion, military occupation, annexation by the use of force, bombardment by the armed forces of a state against the territory of another state, or the blockade of ports or coasts. It also covers allowing another state to use your territory to commit an act of aggression against a third state, or sending armed bands, groups, irregulars, or mercenaries to carry out acts of armed force against another state, if these actions are sufficiently grave to amount to the acts listed. It is fascinating to note that the crime of aggression is unique among the core international crimes because it focuses on the conduct of state leadership rather than individual soldiers or direct perpetrators of violence. This reflects a key insight that large-scale and lawful uses of force often originate at the highest levels of power, and accountability must extend there. This particular focus distinguishes it from war crimes, genocide, and crimes against humanity, which often involve more direct actions by individuals. Understanding the ICC's precise definition of the crime of aggression offers critical insight into the complex framework of international law, especially regarding the unlawful use of force. It provides a vital legal tool for promoting peace and deterring illegal military actions by holding those at the helm of power directly responsible for such grave violations, thereby strengthening the international rule of law for a more secure world.